Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. It's Hila here from Saturday Night Stitch, and thank you so much for tuning in. Today, I'm going to be talking about a new magazine that's new to me, and it's called Fibre Mood. If you're new to this channel, I would like to extend a warm welcome and encourage you to subscribe if you love sewing, dressmaking, anything to do with sewing, patterns, magazines, machines. I put out sewing related content every week. And if you're already subscribed, thanks for coming back. Right, let's get straight into it. So Fibre Mood is a magazine that I'd heard about. It's relatively new compared to the other sewing pattern magazines that are around. So I decided to check it out after I saw an issue at my friend Eleanor's house, and I got two to have a look at. So I'm going to do a very quick browse through, and then I will share with you my thoughts on it. I haven't sewn anything from it yet. Okay, so I gotta say that this is the dress that actually really attracted me to this issue. And it looks like, from what I've seen so far, they do kids' dresses, kids' clothing and women's clothing. I haven't yet seen a men's outfit, and they do like these really super large scale fashion outfits. But I just love the scale of this dress, so this was the main reason that I got this magazine. I quite like this, and I think this would be really nice in a cotton satin or a twill even. It's got some 80s vibe, so I definitely want to make this. I just have to get the right fabric for it. And then you've got like double corduroy on corduroy, like the giant whale cord one. Yeah, and then you've got the one there. So this is something that's relatively new to me. So I have no idea what the easy is like. So if you've sewn with Fibre Mood, I would love to know. And then they've got some really, I love how they do the children's patterns photography. It's very fresh and it's very vibrant, which is quite nice. You also got like these funky poses, which just adds a vibrant energy to the magazine itself, and that's a great way of distinguishing themselves from the more traditional sewing magazines, your Burda Styles or your Knit Modes. Not a big fan of the line drawings, though. I kind of feel like the line drawings are a little bit stylized more than anything else. So I'm probably a bit of a traditionalist when it comes to the line drawings. I want them to be straightforward line drawings. But you still get an idea of what they look like. It's just that, there's some shading, almost like it's a sketch that somebody has made. And to me, my opinion is that a line drawing needs to be just that, a line drawing, not a sketch or something. But they do supplement it with nice big pictures so that you get a good idea of what it looks like on a variety of body shapes. Really like that. I think that's cute and adorable. I would make that for my girls. And then you've got, so this is the thing that I was saying about the line drawings. It's not clear to me whether this is supposed to be a cocoony shape, and why is there shading here that sort of goes in at the waist. It's either do an illustration or do a line drawing. That's my own personal thing, but I think at some point they do show you the proper line drawings, but I'm just nitpicking here. But again, they've got like these big pictures that give it a very strong high fashion look and feel. And then they've got like the pouch here in the middle where you have your pattern sheets, and yeah, there is green, black and red, so that's going to be interesting. Yeah, so I plan on doing one project in January from this magazine. I just haven't decided which one it is yet. So that's the pattern sheets over there in a nice little handy folder. And then again, you've got those stylized line drawings, and it's pretty much straightforward. They don't do the repeating a pattern but just making it shorter or longer. It's just pretty much straightforward. And then you've got the instructions for how to sew everything. So the second half of the magazine has got instructions for sewing for literally every single thing, and all of the sizes are available in their complete size range. And the size range is from a European 32 to a European 58. So I do like that about this magazine, that you've got everything. You don't kind of have to check to see which sizes it's available in. And they support the instructions with illustrations, which is useful for people who are new to sewing. But I've always said that after a while, when you've been sewing for some time, you will find that you no longer really need instructions, because there's only so many ways you can sew a waistband. There's only so many ways you can sew a zipper in. But yeah, so you then get the rest of the half of the magazine. It's just the instructions. So I've just realized that this issue number 3 actually does have a men's sewing pattern in it. I did see a men's sewing pattern somewhere. There's a men's sweater. So they do menswear as well. So quite like this. I think that's really cute for the kids. Could make that in French terry. Like the use of stripes. So that was a very quick browse through. The magazine doesn't come with as many patterns as what I would expect from Browsethrough or Knit Mode, which are the two main magazines that I use for sewing, which is not in itself a bad thing. I think simplicity is also good, because sometimes you gotta simplify in order to amplify. They do have some very interesting styles that I definitely want to try out. But like I said, I have no idea yet what the ease is on these designs. And I'm looking forward to trying them out and reporting back to you what's what. I did notice that on the website, they do have a community, and the tagline for it is join the nicest community in the world. And it seems to be showing that they've got over 30,000 people who signed up onto the community. So I'm going to do that and, basically check it out and see what's what with that. So I hope that you've enjoyed that you found it useful. If you're somebody who has been sewing with Fibre Mood and you can give me some advice about the ease or the whatever and save me making any mistakes, I would appreciate any pointers in the comments box down below. And if you haven't already, do subscribe. I put out new sewing related videos every single week. And until I see you next time, happy sewing. Bye.